I'm Zaha. I graduated from ISC. I cracked NATA from AMC, and I am currently looking to begin architecture college. So for me, 11th and 12th was quite tough. I thought that the entire jump from 10th to 11th was quite hard, but I managed to bridge that gap by going for PCM tuitions. That greatly helped me. The one thing I realized is that you have to understand what you're learning, because unless you do, no amount of mugging up is going to help you retain that. The other thing while studying for my board prep is that I realized how to fix my study pattern. I knew that I studied better 2 weeks before the exam, and it just helped me because I could save that time for other recreational activities that I like to do. When I first started 11th, the entire process of NATA was overwhelming, but it was greatly simplified when I met Sanjay sir and his entire excellent team at AMC. I realized that they teach in a very unique way. They teach you how to think differently. They think in a more creative, design biased way, and it was amazing. That greatly helped me when I studied for NATA as well as my boards. Their teaching staff of Yash and Akshay took so many classes and devised so many topics in very different ways that I was amazed. I think it is because of them and their guest lectures and field trips that I really enjoyed my process into architecture. I think it's also because of them that I scored so well in NATA. So I would like to thank them for scoring 137 in NATA, as well as a 97% in my ISC boards, which ranked me at AIR 6 in mahacet. It is because of them. So I wish everybody doing this journey the best of luck, and I hope you do well. Thank you.